parents made us this amazing Squishies and Slime advent calendar.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Just like a regular advent calendar, every day we're going to be taking the bag and we're going to be opening it and showing you guys what's inside and seeing what's inside because we do not know what is inside.
And for extra fun, all of us have a store-bought advent calendar.
Yay!
Yay!
We're gonna do this every day this month.
So make sure you're subscribed and come back every morning to see the new surprises we got for that day.
Let's
do this!
La 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 la.
Today's day number 1. Yay!
Before we do this, let's do the store-bought one.
Whoa! Guys, look at my awesome Barbie one. It's gigantic.
Look at my Frozen puzzle one.
No, look at my Star Wars Legos Christmas themed one.
And look at Olaf. He is singing and dancing.
That's awesome. Let's look at the back of yours, Jordan. So awesome. Maya, you? Oh my goodness. Let's look at the back. Whoa.
Guys, don't forget to stay tuned to see us opening the Squishies and Slime advent calendar. I heard they're pretty amazing.
We're going to have Olivia go first.
Yay! And this is very cool. I'm opening this right now. Whoa!
Here. So now you gotta open up number 1, right up there.
Whoa, what is that?
Ooh, let me open it.
What's
Here
it?
for you.
It's a little tap.
What you got there?
A little tap
A little
with
kitty
a jacket with a flower on.
Whoa, where are you going to put it?
Over here.
Awesome.
You see its little diddy face?
Yeah.
It's so furry and weightish.
I think Olivia's is really cool too because all of ours comes with only 24 ones, but hers comes with 25.
1, 2,
That's not it, silly.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love Olaf.
Now, let's see. This is so cool.
I can see it. Oh, do number 1.
No, number 1's here. Let's see. Oh, look, the instructions are right here.
Awesome. Okay, so they built it, and let's see what you got. What is it?
I think it's the Star Wars Rebels spaceship with lights on it, Christmas lights on it.
Whoa, that is so awesome, dude. Whoa. All right, put it on your map.
It's my turn, finally! Okay, I don't know how to open this. Here's my Barbie! Yay, I love her. Her hair is so pretty. I'm so excited.
Yay! All right, who's ready for the main attraction?
Me!
Who's ready for some squishies?
Me!
Who's ready for some slime?
Me!
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh! We got the slime mystery shaker! And a squishy!
Let's see, Ollie.
Owl.
It's like a kitty, maybe.
No,
awesome.
There's a fish with an egg tie.
You guys, let's open up the squishy first.
Yeah! Here, I'll just open it because it's, it's easy.
Give me the squishy.
Wait.
I always squeeze it into pieces and then
Squish it like this.
right, now let's open this. This is a slime DIY mini mystery kit. And you mix, add water, shake, and you'll have some other surprise.
Yes.
So let's open it.
Yes. Okay, so we got the yellow shaker and the instructions. Let's see what color and what surprise we got. So we got silver fine glitter. We got, it looks like a very nice pastel yellow. And the one I wanted, it's like a dog unicorn. And then you get these super cute stickers. One that says Slime DIY, one that says 100% original, and one that says made by, which I love. I think that's super cute.
Well, we're doing the slime.
All right, so you put water, you put all the ingredients in and then water?
Mm-hmm.
How long do you have to shake it for?
30 seconds. You let it sit for 5 minutes.
All right, so we'll be right back.
Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's open it.
Let's see if this thing works. Whoa.
Sorta, it's sticky. I feel like it needs to sit some more. I feel like this is a little sticky. I feel like it maybe didn't get fully mixed because this part's like really chunky and it feels like really good. Or because I kind of filled it a little too much all the way. So I dumped a little out and maybe a little bit of the powder was dumped out, but I don't know. It smells just like guar gum. It's a really nice shade of green, but I thought it was gonna be yellow. Now let's add our little toy in.
Okay guys, so this was day 1 of our Squishy and Slime calendar.
Make sure you come back tomorrow so you can see day 2. We're so excited to open it. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Comment down below to let us know which one is your favorite.
Put a big thumbs up.
Bye,
Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow.